टू माई चैनल। सो आज हम पढ़ेंगे इलेक्ट्रोथेरेपी में IFT के अंदर हम पढ़ेंगे इंडिकेशन, कॉन्ट्राइंडिकेशन एंड प्रिकॉशन। Indication where we apply IFT, in which cases it can be lower back pain, stress incontinence, in frozen shoulder, or periarthritis, or osteoarthritis, which is the knee, lower back pain, TMJ, temporomandibular joint, which is here, and fibromyalgia. It is in this case there will be muscle pain and brain fog. That's why IFT is used in that. Hemiplegic shoulder pain, in that we have the shoulder pain, and the IFT used to heal the bone fractures, and in the least but not last, in post-operative pain, like after the surgery, we used to heal the acute of IFT. But it can be the acute hemorrhage. In the acute hemorrhage or recent hemorrhage, a person have enteral disease, we can't give in enteral disease, we can't give in infective conditions, we can't give in pregnancy or open wound or cardiac pacemaker, and any aspect of the neck, dermatological condition, we can't deep vein DVT. It was something deep vein and TI forward, and malignant tumor, it's been cancer. In these cases, these are the contraindications in which we can't provide patient IFT. Where we have to take the precaution when we give IFT to a patient, we have to look at the abnormal skin sensitivity, we look for the condition of febrile, and this reminds me of the fibromyalgia. And in the case of alopecia, please be careful of alopecia. If a patient have it, don't give the IFT. In cardioarthromesis, over the anterior aspect of the chest wall. So this is the precaution, guys.